G'day! In today's video I've got a Sony SRS-XB13 Bluetooth speaker, and this one has got a smashed out Type-C port on it. Now, I don't know how to quite get in here. I've seen a couple of videos, but I guess I'm going to find out. Ones I've seen have been using a flathead screwdriver and prying the base. So this bit up. I'm not sure if there's a screw, maybe screws under here. Just don't want to pry too far in there because there are little speaker friends in there. I don't know if it spins to lock it or unlock it. Excuse me. Might even start by taking this off and seeing what's under here. No, I'm not seeing any screws in there. Anything under here? Nope. Does make it somewhat difficult. Gonna heat it up on my blue heat pad here for a little bit. See what happens. With a bit more research, it does look like it is glued the whole way. I wonder. Oh, the level of glue is absolutely ridiculous. No. I've had it on heat for a while now. It's just some isopropyl alcohol. And being it's a fully sealed unit, I don't think that's really going to do too much. No. No, sorry to say, I'm hitting a board on that. That is ridiculous. So yeah, huge disappointment. Yeah, can't win them all. Sadly, I feel like most wireless Bluetooth speakers are like that nowadays, where they just put a ridiculous amount of glue on it to the point that it's obscene. They could have just put 4 screws in here, put a light seal of glue there, but no, not today. Bye.